Hello. How
How's
are
it
we?
going? So funny.
Are we? What are we doing? Where are we? Who are you? Hello, Joseph.
Hello.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm alright. How are you?
I'm bored of filming this intro for the 17,000th time.
Yeah, third time's a charm.
So, what do we have here today?
Today we have a 2005 Audi A3 2-litre TDI BKD with a 1756 hybrid turbo from JW Automotive. It's got
Spicy.
EGR Delete, Darkside S3 alloy intercooler upgrade,
Nice.
hard pipe kit, 4x map sensor, stock clutch, stock injectors.
Oh, it fell off right at the end, didn't it?
Yeah, I know.
It had all the right bits
I
until
saved
that.
the worst for last.
Yeah, well, to be fair, stock injectors were alright, stock clutches were alright, it is what it is.
Yeah.
Cool, so obviously, stage 3 hybrid turbo tuning shenanigans.
Yes.
What's the plan? Are you
Do
gonna
some
run it as it is, or I suppose you can't, can you?
No, it'll probably be overboost and then lit mode. So
Yep.
we're going to apply a base, start from there, and do some
Start with
logging and
things.
some tuning and see where we end up. Customers looking for anything over 200 horsepower, basically.
This should be doable, shouldn't it?
Yeah, it shouldn't be an issue at all. So
Awesome, alright, well, let's chip in.
let's do it.
Dun 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 dun! Good afternoon, Joseph.
Good afternoon, young Dan.
It has been some amount of hours since we last, well, not since we last spoke, but since we last conversed with a camera. So what's been going on?
So we applied a base, did some pulls, done a couple of revisions. Just to be fair, the base was really good. To be fair, it was close. Just fettled a couple of little bits. Been seeing anywhere from 223 to about 227 horsepower.
Okay.
And a 440 newton meters up to about 449, 450.
Yeah, it was capped at 450, wasn't it?
Yeah, so obviously we've capped torque, obviously with the stock clutch in mind, because obviously we don't want it to fail.
Yeah.
But yeah, she's done pretty well. To be fair, it's been
Fairly
quite
non-eventful session.
But yeah, it's been fairly chill, no issues. Been kind of plain sailing, which for an older car, especially at the minute with how things have been going, is pretty good.
Yeah.
But that's about that really. I think there are going to be plans in the future to go further, potentially.
Yeah, I mean, this guy was one of a group of guys, all with PDs or similar.
Yeah.
So probably many videos to follow this, I imagine. But
no,
cool.
it's
So
been,
we're happy where it is, and
Yeah, no, like I said she's done well. She's been consistent.
well, he's got between 23 and 30 brake more than he was aiming for, so you can't really moan at that, can he?
Yeah, I'll say hopefully he's happy with it and enjoys it, and yeah, we may see it again.